What is going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the purple coloured iPhone 11. And of course, as always, I'll be uploading a video where I test the camera on this smartphone along with the results that I got when benchmarking it. So if you do want to see that, then be sure to hit the subscribe button to be notified when I upload that video. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, my apologies for the video you're seeing as it was recorded in low light and has quite a bit of noise and artifacts. But enough about that. Here in the UK, the iPhone 11 will set you back anywhere from £729 all the way up to $879. Or if you are in the United States, that'll translate as $699 all the way up to $849. So after removing the outer packaging and lifting up the lid, we got our first look at the purple coloured iPhone 11. The purple is a very pastel looking colour, more so like lilac or a lavender purple. So popping the phone out of the box and placing it to a side, we get our first look at what other things come included with the iPhone 11. And the first of these, as standard, is your documentation envelope, which reads designed by Apple in California. And within you'll find a quick start guide to help set up your new device, health and safety information with details on your 1-year limited Apple warranty. Followed up as always are 2 white Apple stickers. The next items to come with the iPhone 11 are your standard wired Apple Lightning earpods, along with a USB-A to Lightning charge and sync data cable, which has an approximate length of around 1 meter. Also, you get a 5-watt USB power adapter, which has been supplied with all iPhones for as long as I can remember. Though this smartphone is capable of fast charging, Apple doesn't provide the tools to do so out the box. So guys, that has been it for today's video. If you did enjoy the video, then be sure to hit the like button, and if you are new around here, then why not subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified when I upload my next videos. If you have got any questions with what you've seen in today's video, or have any questions in general on the iPhone 11 or the 11 Pro, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively, you can hit me up on my social media. Links can be found down below in the description section. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.